flight in space, we scored our wings and bent them to match our shape of the wings for our glider. And to score, we use the knife and we turn it upside down, and then we go like that and drag it through. We do that about 7 times to each, and then we bent them, and that made the wing.
Hey guys, it's Spencer and Sam in Flight in Space, and we are making a balsa wood glider. Still gotta dry, but for the most part, we're doing pretty good.
Subscribe to Mr. Harmon and HLModTech.
Bigger Chungus Supreme. Airplane Supreme. Check out these swagalicious things right here. Mostly all of them. The drag, roll, pitch, center of gravity, pitch, neutral point, pitch, horizontal stabilizer, and y'all, RL at the maximum power. All I need left is a lift and weight. And this is my result of the awesome swagalicious stuff that I have. Let's see if my swagalicious plane can win. We have reached liftoff, Houston. We have reached liftoff. It looks like mine, the one that's above that plane on the bottom, is winning. Look at that good stuff. Check that out, 8.3 seconds for Pew Pew plane.
Hello everyone, this is Brandon Rockefeller, and this is my haunted corn maze. We got the pumpkins and zombies with the gravestones. Then we got the actual maze with ghosts, this weird monster, zombies, and you have to make your way through the maze to get to the end.
Oh, here's the chicken man again. We added a new addition, his tooth. Again, we still have his flip phone. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, it's Spencer and Sam at HLModTech, and today we are flying our balsa wood gliders. Our goal is to get 5 seconds of flight. Here we go.
On our Instagram, I made part 3 of these awesome Finch robots. I haven't made any before, but right now I can press the red button, and then the orange, and then the yellow, and then the green, and then the blue, and then the pink, and then the rainbow color, and then the off. It will turn them all off, and then random, and it will just randomly play different things. This is part 3 of Finch. This is Lukas. Goodbye.
Hello, this is HLModTech. This is my Finch robot that I made. It has like pink and like blue and red, and there's just a bunch of different colors that you can create, and there's a bunch of different buttons that you can push to. It moves forward, moves backward, goes to the right, it goes to the left. And when you push stop, it stops.
What's up, Instagram? This is Mark and Tristan and Kaiden and Sophie. And me and Kaiden made a ghost. And he's all happy.
So I made a police car Finch, and how I did this is I went with this and I put a forever around LED, and I made it so it's flashing. And then I put it on 0.1 so it would make it quicker, because so then it would flash quicker.
Everyone, welcome back to another HLModTech video. Here I'm showing you our balsa glider. Hit the tail, also known as the horizontal, which is this one, and then the vertical stabilizer, which is this one. This is the wing, that is the
The fuselage. Lodge. Sorry. Now, not all of it is done yet, but I'm still working on it, and my partner is trying to work on it. Yeah. But this is our balsa glider.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram, and today I have an updated Finch project. If you press the red button, because it's a new button, it turns it to red. And you press green button, it turns it to green. And you turn it to blue. And I'm still working on it, but it's really good progression.
So I made a Finch Santa car that shows the green and red lights. These are for Santa elves. We gotta get into Christmas spirit. It might be 60 days away, but you know, it's already snowed. This is how I did it. I used space, and then I put 0.25 seconds so it went faster. And then I put, for the LED, R255 and green.
This is me, Elena.
And Ashley, and this is the glider we made. With my friends, let's get cracking.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram, and this is my Finch. And if you press I, it goes like all these other colors, and it's really cool. Like dark green, purple, and white. And if you press R, it just goes to red, green, it goes to green, and V, it goes to blue. And if you press 1, it goes from red to green. And one more thing. Lukas, you know what to do? Lukas! Free Shavakadu.
Hey guys, it's Spencer back in Flight in Space, and I made a ton of ghosts. It's really cool to make. It's on YouTube, HLModTech, and one is different. Gotta find which one is different.
Trying to tire out the puppy before conferences. Sit, big girl. Can you sit? Good girl, are you ready? Go! Good job, big girl. Good job. Can you bring it back? All right, we're thinking about bringing it back. For a second, I thought she was going to leave me hanging. Typical teenager.